This is a video of unit number 7, building 106 Meadow Ridge. This is our Meadow Ridge complex, which is off Route 2 at the end of North Street in Herman. It's one of the mid-size units. There are 3 sizes at Meadow Ridge, so this is the middle size. These units are maybe 5 years old. It is an N unit. So you enter into the living room. Kitchen is in the middle as opposed to the back on the N units here. So the living room's a little bit smaller. It does have a peninsula. Most people do put bar stools here. And then here's the kitchen. Dishwasher. It does have a built-in microwave and a 5-burner glass top stove. And the freezer does have a built-in ice maker. And then in the back there's a little area with a window. And then you do have a deck off the back. Just a wooded area out behind, so it's very quiet out here. And again, it's an N unit, so there's nobody on this side. That's the other building, and on this side there's a privacy screen to separate from the deck next door. And you do have wood laminate flooring throughout, so the only place where there is carpeting is on the stairs. And then it does have a full basement. Great for storage. And this is where the washer dryer hookup is. And then these units do have walkout basements to make it a little bit easier to get things in and out if you do have bulky items. And this does go right out under the deck. And again, there's plenty of room down here for storage. Some people do use it to work out in the summertime, or basically any time. It does stay nice and cool down here in the summertime. And the kitchen is actually a good size, and you do have room for table and chairs. A lot of people will use a high top table. Again, here's the living room. And then also, as you come in the front door, there's a coat closet. And then again, the only place there's carpet in the unit is on the stairs. And then this is a linen closet. This is the second bedroom. And it has a closet. And this is the guest bathroom. This does have 2 full baths, so this would be guest bathroom. It does have tile on the floor in the bathrooms. And then this would be the master bathroom. Again, full size. And then this is the master bedroom. This is made to take a king-size bedroom set. And then this is the closet. Basically a double-sized closet. Also, these units do have two temperature controls, one for the upstairs and one for the downstairs. So there's two-zone heating so that you can control the temperature for both upstairs and downstairs. So basically that concludes the video tour for Unit 106, number 7 at Meadow Ridge. If you do have any questions, you can contact us at 974-6606 or visit us at rentbangor.com.